warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Bahirah Ramadhan and I'm from 12 Science 1. In this video, I will practice about procedure text based on my English assignment, that is, making a video about procedure text. But before I show you all my product, I will explain about procedure text first. Procedure text is a text that presents the steps of activities or various stages about how to do or how to produce some things. The purpose of this text is to provide information about how to make or how to do something. Here, I will tell, explain, and practice to you about how to make a pencil holder or a pencil case from used bottle. Enjoy! To make a pencil holder, first you have to prepare all the tools, and the tools you will need to make a pencil holder are used bottles, scissors, short glue, flannel, decoration, ruler, and cutter. And then the steps. The first step is cut the used bottles according to what you want using cutter, or you may using scissors if you want. After that, the second step is cut the flannel according to the shape of the bottle that you already cut in the first step. And then the next step is arrange and adjust the flannel on the bottle, then paste it using the short glue.
I could say I never dare to think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I pretend I'm happy for you when you find some dude to take home, but I won't deny that.
The fifth step is add decoration on the surface of the flannel to make the pencil holder or the pencil case looks nice and beautiful.
In the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams.
Repeat the same steps to another bottle to make another pencil holder.
Wrinkle silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked on to something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend the summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Tell me, do you feel the love? And I could say I never unzipped those blue Levi's inside my head, but that's far from the truth. Don't know what's come over me. It seems like yesterday when I said we'll be friends forever. Constellations of stars, mules on city walls. I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse, you're a 19th floor view. I don't see nobody but you.
And finally, the pencil holder from used bottle are ready to use.
Boy, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel the love? Spend a summer or a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the